This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Summer. It's another Foodie Friday that we are doing, and today we are featuring the jalapeno chicken.
Yummy.
It is yummy, huh?
Yummy.
Yeah.
Summer.
Yes. You just say hello. You're
Hello.
Summer. Okay. Thank you, Summer.
Free.
You're free?
Not all free. All free. All free.
Oh, RV, yeah. For 3 for the road RV, huh?
Yeah, free.
How old are you today? 4? Yes.
4.
Do you remember when your birthday is?
My birthday, 2.
In June. That's right. Good job.
Yeah, my birthday, 2.
Uh-huh.
Now, shall we?
Okay, should we talk about the jalapeno popper chicken today? Okay. Uh-oh. She's sleepy. Would you like to go lay down or stay here with me? Stay here with me? Stretch. Okay. Well, put your arms down, please. Thank you. Yes, she's cute, but sometimes she's a handful.
No, I'm not cute. I'm cute.
Oh, sorry. She's not cute. She's a kid. That's right.
I'm not.
Okay, sit back, please. Thank you. So, this is the joys of a 4-year-old. You never know what you're going to get out of her. But I still want to share my recipe. So, it's called jalapeno popper chicken. And it is very simple to make in one skillet. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 1 4-ounce can of diced jalapeno peppers, 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, and for this particular recipe today, I had put in a little bit of leftover spinach. That's why you'll see the green on the pictures. And then about 1 package of bacon. And then you use about 4 to 6 pieces of chicken breast, depending on how big they are. That's basically it. Very easy peasy. Butterfly slice the chicken breasts and lay them flat in a zippy bag. Pound the chicken to an even thickness. Mix the cheeses with the jalapenos. Place 1 tablespoon on the chicken. Wrap 2 slices of bacon around the chicken and pin it with a toothpick. In an oven-safe skillet, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and place the chicken in the skillet and brown all sides. Place skillet in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. Thanks for letting me share my recipes with you, and I look forward to sharing more in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and ring that bell, and we'll see you on the road.